in the production process of control boards for household appliances, consumer electronics, automotive electronics, power supply products, and more. It is common to secure multiple transistors on a standard or custom-shaped heatsink. Install multiple insulation sheets, insert various adhesive pellets, and perform several times of paste scraping to complete such complex and repetitive tasks. The FL-916 fully automatic multi-transistor heatsink assembly machine is the best solution. The machine operates automatically and can meet the complex assemblies, the processing requirements of multiple workstations. It features several workstations, each of which can be individually adjusted. The machine can also be customized according to customer specifications to meet actual assembly needs. The compact structure saves space, and it uses Mitsubishi PLC. It is controlled with a touchscreen interface, making learning fast and simple. Core components such as cylinders, magnetic switches, and solenoid valves are from the renowned brand AirTech, ensuring the equipment's stability. It has been successfully used in PCB production lines for air conditioners, TVs, and other products, saving at least 10 workers and improving process consistency and reliability.